Yeah, just stand like that.
All right, so go ahead and move that shoulder again so it pops out. All right.
You want me to lift the other arm?
Yeah, so we see a difference. Wow. All right, let's fix it.
All right, so I'm gonna have you lay on your. You can put your shirt back on if you want to, because that'll be cold, right, when you lay on it. Have you guys ever done chiropractic before?
No.
It's the first time. Okay.
Yeah, she was asking to like if she could like leave the room because she's not gonna be feeling like very good.
Yeah, if you don't want to stay in here, you don't have to.
I was like, Mom, they're not gonna open my bag or something like that.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So what you're gonna do is just drop your arms down, let them dangle down off the table there. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, put your head straight down there. All right. Yeah. See how that feels right there?
Mm-hmm.
And it feel right there?
Yeah.
Hurts there, doesn't it?
A little bit.
Compared to this side.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in just like this. I'm showing you he's gonna be okay. Okay. So I'm gonna come over this way. I'm not doing it yet, I'm showing you. And then I'm gonna push like that and push this way, okay? So I'm gonna have you breathe in really deep there, buddy.
Should I hold it?
And then you're gonna blow out in a second, okay? So breathe in and breathe out.
Whoa, that was incredible. That's it?
Well, we're gonna check a little bit through here just to make sure.